Hey everyone, so if you're like me and you end up scratched and bruised and all cut up, I have cuts just all over my arms. I have black and blue marks from gardening and working in my yard. So I picked up these long sleeve gardening gloves. They have a non-slip grip. They're very, very durable. They are made with breathable material. It's a very comfortable glove to put on, and look at how high they go up. So this has saved the skin on my arms and on my hands. So again, durable, breathable, comfortable, easy to take on, easy to take off. I'm going to show you them in action here in a second, so stay with me here. They are a very flexible, elastic material. They're cut and scratch resistant. They're great for yard work, for gardening, for appliance install, if you have to deal with poison ivy, if you're assembling something, if you're an assembly line worker, if you're mulching, if you're cleaning. These gloves are absolutely fantastic, and you saw it came up to here on me, so it really gave me coverage on not just up to here like some of the other garden gloves that you'll see out there, not just up to here, all the way pretty much up to my shoulder, which is perfect for me. So this is a 13 gauge polyester sleeve with nitrile coated non-slip grip palms, okay? These are great for both working in wet and dry conditions. They're 24 inches long, so 2 feet overall. It is 3.5 inches at the wrist, and then 6 inches wide up towards the arm area. If you need to wash them, I literally just throw them in the washing machine, throw them in the dryer, and rinse and repeat. So let's take you outside, show them to you in action. But I have to tell you, I am beyond impressed with the quality, the craftsmanship, the workmanship that has been put in to the creation of these gloves. And I'll tell you why. I was so impressed that I dug a little bit deeper. I'm like, how did they get this so perfect? Because the creators of these things actually use them themselves. So they literally invented these gloves because they were sick and tired of getting cut up and scraped up and bruised all the time while they're working in their garden, which is an enjoyable task if you're not getting cut and scraped everywhere, right? So they literally created and invented these gloves for themselves to solve an issue that they were having, the owners of this company, in order to come up with this absolute masterpiece. So let's take you outside. We'll show them to you in action. And these things are great. You're going to see just how great they are. All right, so this is one of many rosemary bushes that I have in my yard, see? And whenever I am trimming this or working with one of these bushes, my hands inevitably get so incredibly sticky. And I can stand at the sink and wash them 100 times and the sticky does not come off. So this is one of many, many applications that I use these gloves in. And if I have to reach all the way down, I'm good. So it doesn't scratch me or cut me or anything. Let's show it to you in one more place. All right, so this bush right here is the true test. This bush has been out to get me since day one. And I'll tell you why. There's little thorns on it all over the place, but I can literally grab it anywhere relatively aggressively, and I don't even feel the thorns anymore. I can get my hand all the way down in there if I need to, with protection all the way up my arm. These things have really and truthfully withstood the test of time and my most aggressive bushes. So I very highly recommend. I hope you enjoy. That being said, the company did originally send me these for the purpose of this review, but the thoughts, opinions, everything talked about in this video are really very truthfully my own thoughts, and I do use these. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy and get as much use out of them as we do.